Hello my student friends, welcome to the virtual classroom of the Quest. Today our topic is micrometer screw gauge. It was invented by William Gascoigne in 17th century. It has a list count of 0.001 centimeter or still lower, and this comes in the order of the micrometer. That is why it is called as micrometer screw gauge. Now let us quickly come to its construction. It has a U frame which is made up of steel, and to its U frame, at its one end is fixed screw is there, which is called as stud, which is named as A. I have named it as A. On the other part, it has a screw which moves to and fro as it is connected to this ratchet through a spring, so that whenever the ratchet is rotated, it will move to and fro. This makes the fixed jaw of the screw gauge, whereas the screw makes the movable jaw of the screw gauge. Here we may note that the screw comes out of a nut which is threaded from inside, and the screw is threaded from outside. It rotated in and out of the nut. Now the screw is connected to a thimble cylinder which is graduated at its one end with the circular scale, which may have 100 divisions or 50 divisions or 200 divisions depending upon the construction of the screw gauge. Here a sleeve cylinder is also provided, which is fixed to the frame, and it has a linear scale over it, so that whenever the ratchet is rotated and the screw moves forward, this thimble cylinder along with the screw will move forward on this linear scale, and it is the baseline of the linear scale which is the reference line of the reading. With all other measuring instruments, this also has a list count and a pitch, and we will discuss it with a simple model. Pitch and list count of micrometer screw gauge. Pitch of a screw is defined as the distance between two conjugative threads of a screw. It is also defined as the linear distance covered by the head of the screw for its one complete rotation. Let us understand this with the help of a model where I have tried to recreate the two scales of the micrometer screw gauge. Here we have two scales. One is the main scale and other is the circular scale over here, which has a 100 divisions. As we see, the circular scale covers a linear distance along the main scale as it is rotated over itself. And here we see that for one complete rotation of the circular scale, it covers one division of the main scale. That means in general cases, this is the case where one complete rotation of the circular scale will cover a linear distance of one main scale division. But in some other cases, it can differ from this value. Now let us see if one division in our main scale is equal to 0.1 centimeter, then what will be the pitch? Pitch will also be equal to 0.1 centimeter. That means it covers 0.1 centimeter along the main scale for one complete rotation. For observations through screw gauge, we have to take multiple rotations so that an average distance covered for one rotation can be calculated. Thus, if you see here, if I take 3 complete rotation of the circular scale, 1, 2, and 3. Then it covers 3 divisions in the main scale. That means the average distance covered for one rotation can be calculated as pitch is equal to 3 main scale division divided by 3 rotations in the circular scale, which equal to, in centimeter it will be equal to 0.3 centimeter by 3, which equal to 0.1 centimeter, which is the pitch of the micrometer screw gauge. However, we can have different pitches for micrometer screw gauge in different constructions. But here in this model, I have sticked to this particular construction, where the pitch is equal to 0.1 centimeter. That means the one main scale division is equal to 0.1 centimeter, and a circular scale has 100 divisions on it. See, it is 0 over here, and this is 90, and we have divided into 10 divisions, so it is having 100 divisions over the circular scales. So now let us quickly come to the least count. Least count is nothing but the pitch per total number of divisions in the circular scale. Pitch per total number of divisions in the circular scale. Here pitch is equal to what? Pitch is equal to 0.1 centimeter by, we have taken total number of divisions in the circular state to be 100, so it will be 0.001 centimeter. Here the minimum distance or measurement that can be taken by this micrometer screw gauge is the linear distance covered by only one division of the circular scale. If you rotate the circular scale for only one division, then it will cover a very short distance in the main scale. It will cover a very short distance in the main scale, that is equal to 0.001 centimeter, and that is the least count of the instrument. Now let us see how we can take a measurement with a screw gauge. The screw gauge is used to measure the diameter of a very fine wire or even the thickness of a paper. To make a measurement, we have to first close the two jaws by rotating this ratchet until the ratchet makes a rattling sound when the two jaws A and B meet with each other. Then we have to see whether the zero of the main scale coincides with the zero of the circular scale. You can observe it by observing the reference line. We have to see the reference line under the zero of the main scale should coincide the zero of the circular scale, as we can see here. zero of the main scale is observable to you, and the baseline under the zero is just touching the zero of the circular scale. This should be the reading while the two jaws touch each other. Then we can say that the instrument is having no zero error, and we can proceed with our measurement. Then the ratchet is rotated so as to open the two jaws, and the wire is placed between the two jaws, and it is again tightened until the rattling sound comes. Then the observation is measured or observed through the two scales. Now the observed diameter of the wire will be equal to D is equal to main scale reading plus circular scale reading, where main scale reading is equal to main scale division into pitch, and circular scale reading is equal to circular scale division into least count. So the diameter will come out to be main scale division into pitch plus circular scale division into least count. This is the formula. Now let us quickly take an example for which this particular reading has observed. If here the main scale division is the division of the main scale which is observable to you, that means here two observation is observable to you, therefore the division, main scale division, comes out to be 2, and we have calculated the piece to be 0.1, which equal to 0.2 centimeter. Now let us see the circular scale reading. Here in this particular case, the baseline coincides with the 60, 65, 66th division of the circular scale. So the circular scale division comes out to be 66 into least count we have calculated to be 0.001, which equal to 0.066 centimeter. So here in our example, the diameter comes out to be 0.2 centimeter plus 0.066 centimeter, which equal to 0.266 centimeter, which is the observed diameter of the wire. If we have calculated the radius, then we can say radius is equal to d by 2, diameter by 2. So how we can take any measurement through a screw gauge. The slide caliper, it has also zero error, which we will discuss in a next video. And if you like the video, you can like, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you. Bye bye.